Let's explore the best three beaches in Varkala. I'll also explain the pros and cons of each beach, which will really help you in selecting which beach you have to go to. Papasanam beach has a lot of spiritual significance. Here pujas are done for departed souls. This beach is very close to helipad and very accessible. Always crowded. If you like crowd, this is a great place. I've been coming to Varkala for the last 10 years. So Varkala is well known to me. So whatever information you want, please let me know. I'll get back to you immediately. Recently, this beach has become very popular for water sports in Varkala. There are some great water sports here, and have a video on water sports alone, so you can check out that video. There are a lot of outlets here, food outlets, coffee shops, and things like that. So you can get good food at cheap rates also. Look at the crowd here at 7:30 in the morning. This is the main beach in Varkala. This is the most vibrant beach in Varkala, the favorite one for tourists. As you can see, this is also a crowded place, but people who know swimming love this beach. During monsoon, there are restrictions on the beach because the sea is rough, it is quite dangerous. I'll come to that later as we go on. Please let me know which beach you like the best. There are steps like this at different spots to come down to the main beach. During monsoon, because of the heavy rains, the undercurrent will be very high in the sea. So it is very dangerous. Sometimes the lifeguard allows if you are a good swimmer. Depends on them. This video was taken in April. That is why you see a lot of crowd here. But in monsoon it is not like this. When coming to Varkala, don't take a bus. Always take a train and get down at Varkala Shivgeri. And from there you can catch an auto for 150 rupees. You can reach the cliff or the helipad. Main beach is a very good place to take a long walk, relaxing walk. And a lot of place for you to move around and things like that. Even though it is crowded, it's a fantastic place to, hang out with friends. I will slowly move to the cliff side. We'll take up the steps and go to the cliff. We'll have a walk around the cliff and go to Black Sand Beach. Black Sand Beach is a very vibrant beach, full of action. Cliff is one place you have to really experience for beginners. Whether it is in the morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, it's a fantastic place to hang out. And night is the best, no doubt. Night, the restaurants are all fully vibrant. But if you're having food, check out the prices and see if it is within your budget. From the cliff, you can just look into the Arabian Sea and spend hours there. Black Sand Beach is quite popular with the surfers, but now the sea is quite rough with nobody to be seen around. Earlier, Varkala was only up to here. Nobody used to go further down. But now, Black Sand Beach is itself extended for another 2 kilometers. Two or 3 years back, nobody used to come to this area, but now it has become very popular. A lot of people come here for a day, and for sunbath also a lot of people use it now. If you're looking for budget stay options, please check up the description. There are good reliable places where you can get about 1,500 rupees plus good rooms and neat places. If you don't know swimming well, or you are not used to swimming at all, this is the best place for you because water is very shallow and you can go little more deep into the water. This is the best place for beginners. I've been coming to Varkala for the last 10 years, so Varkala is well known to me. So if you need any advice, please let me know. I don't charge anything. It is free of cost. I'll give you the right information. Friends, if this video has been useful to you, please support us, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. If you walk down straight, you can go to Kottayam beach. It's about 3 kilometers from here.